In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add llms.txt in Shopify. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable way to serve your LLM policy file from your store's root using built-in Shopify features. We'll do this by uploading the text file to your store's files, then creating a URL redirect so that visiting your domain.com llm.txt points to that file. First, sign into your Shopify admin and head to the home dashboard. Make sure you're using an account with permission to manage content. We'll start by uploading the text file you want to serve. From the left sidebar in your admin, open Content. Inside Content, go to Files. This is where Shopify hosts assets like images and documents. Click Upload Files, then select your prepared text file containing your LLM directives. It can be named however you like. What matters is the public URL Shopify gives it. Once it finishes uploading, locate it in the list and use the link icon to copy the file's URL to your clipboard. We'll paste this in the redirect shortly, so keep it handy. Now, we need to create a clean path at the root of your domain. Still in Content, navigate to Menus. From there, open URL redirects. This section lets you map a path on your storefront to another destination, which is perfect for placing a text file at the root without editing theme code. Click Create URL Redirect. In the redirect from field, type exactly llm.txt. Be sure to include the leading slash and use lowercase so it matches how most tools will request it. In the redirect to field, paste the file URL you copied from Files. This will be a long Shopify hosted link that points directly to your uploaded text file. Double check there are no extra spaces before or after the URL, then click Save Redirect. With the redirect saved, it's time to test. Open a new browser tab and enter your public storefront domain followed by llm.txt. Do not use the admin URL for this test. You should either see the text contents load directly or your browser may download the file depending on settings. If it doesn't work right away, refresh, try an incognito window, or clear your cache to avoid a cached 404. That's it. You've uploaded your LLM policy file to Shopify and created a clean root level path for it using a URL redirect. If you ever need to update the policy, simply upload a new file in Files and change the redirect to link, keeping the llm.txt path consistent for crawlers and tools that expect it.